Tum Tum, are you ready for your big debut? You're gonna be a YouTube star. Yes, you are. Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited, so excited to do an unboxing with you. Riedell Skates is such a special brand for me. It was my very first pair of figure skates at age 12. So that was several decades ago. In fact, they sent me the cutest pair ever of figure skates. A special thank you to Riedell Skates for sponsoring this video. These opinions are all mine. The link to purchase these skates is here and also linked below in my YouTube description box. Run, don't wait. This is gonna be perfect. Outdoor skating season is coming soon. Summer is flying by. Tum Tum, do you like Mommy's new skates? Do you like them? Look, red laces. Do you approve? It is never too early or too late to start skating. I am very loyal to this brand. It's one of my favorite brands I recommend to my skaters. And I hope you love this brand and these skates as much as I do. Wow, these red laces, I love how they add a pop to it. And there's also a little trim around here, which is super neat. The other thing I love, if you zoom in closely, if you feel this, it's nice and soft. So your Achilles rubs against this area, and for as long as I remember, I have to wear bunga pads to prevent from getting tendonitis or inflammation or bleeding when I skate. And this is also pretty cool, this flap down, so flips up. But this would look so cute in a pair of jeans outside. What do you guys think? These are so cute. Let's go through some details that I noticed at first when looking at these. So if you zoom in, notice this cursive writing. We have the Ember Riedell Skates here. Such a sophisticated touch on the tongue of these skates. So here we have the cider color, this tan color that pairs well with every outfit. It also comes in adorable blush color. That's a cute pop of pink. It contrasts well with the snowy weather and the white ice rink outdoors. So if you feel this, I know you can't, but just picture it. If you feel it, this is a suede leather material. So it's so soft, so cozy, totally winter vibes. I think this will hold up well in the outdoor weather, especially you never know if it's gonna be windy, perfect sunshine, a little snowy, a little wet on the ice. So this material will hold up well. If you're investing in a pair of figure skates, you definitely do want them to last. The blade on this is stainless steel. It is specifically the Luna blade. So this blade, I would say, is for beginner skaters, like think basic skills or recreational skating. So this would be perfect for me to skate outside with my friends. And it replaces my recreational Riedell skates from when I was a kiddo. I truly have never seen this type of cushiony sweater material before. I have in my coaching skates a dance cut, so I'm used to a softer ankle cut, but never this material. So this is kind of new and different. But yes, literally my favorite print. It feels like, it looks like a blanket. It just makes me want to be cozy with a cup of hot chocolate with your girlfriends. As far as sizing, I am a shoe size 7 to 7.5, and I ordered the size 7 skates. As figure skaters, we're used to always ordering skates small, but I feel like these, I would size up a little bit because these are unisex skates. These skates are $169, which I think is an absolute steal. I do think that's very comparable for a beginner pair of skates. Not to mention these are very trendy looking, so I would pay more than that for these. So things I would love to see in the future, if these skates come in a higher level with a bit more support, I would love them to coach in. These laces seem to be very sturdy. I love this material of the laces. It's a bit thicker as well, which I enjoy because I rip my laces just so easily. And lacing them, we just want to make sure the tongue stays in place. So these do not come with any type of tongue hook or lace lock. So just be careful when you lace the skates to ensure that they are locked and loaded in place inside the skates. So tuck that bad boy in. Thank you so much, guys, for checking out my review of the Riedell Ember Skates. Riedell has a ton of other skates too if you're not a beginner and need something more advanced. Feel free to comment below or send me an email if you want more skate advice. Say goodbye, Tum Tum. Bye, Tum Tum. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and save. Happy skating!